Hi, Jin Young. Admit. Hi, Jin Young. All right. So today I'll be doing this called content placeholder. So basically, it has a skeleton before the content loadout. So something like this, we can see it. If like moving, they have this dummy thing before it load out the actual content. All right. So let's get things work. Okay. So I have all my HTML, CSS, and JavaScript ready. All right, so let's maybe change the title. Contain please folder. All right, link up my CSS. I'll link up my JavaScript. Right. Oh, try OpenLive server. Okay, it's working. All right, so they have it. The main div. All right, so if let's get the name as a container, right? So inside the div, they have this image and then a header, a text, a picture, name, and date. All right. So let's get this div at maybe image folder, right? And another div have this let h1 tag h1 lorem 10 sorry lorem 10 okay and p tag maybe lorem 20. Okay, name this tag as maybe give it a class name, give it maybe title, and this one title h1, the class title text maybe, right? Then we have another div, maybe user, right? So inside the div we have this image, the image man. Maybe this. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Get this image tag. Maybe div, right? Okay. Plus user image. Okay. And before their name, right? Get it a H2 lah. John Doe tag. Date October 08 2020. Okay. If it's a name, maybe user ID, right? Class user name, maybe class user date. All right. Image I haven't put yet. Maybe some computer image. Okay, this looks good. All right, open image in new tab. We cannot. Okay, open image in new tab. Okay, this look good. Right. image. Okay. I think there will be like very, yes. Okay, let's style this up. Okay, so let everything margin 0. Sorry. Heading 0. Box sizing for the box. Okay. Lastly, okay, let's make everything center. Right, everything center. The body. Display flex. X. Justify contain. Center. Line them center. Right. So let's fix the container to a particular size. Okay. So maybe the con set it width maybe 500 px. Okay, height we give it a 600 px. Workflow hidden. Okay, so can right. So let's fix the image. Give it a class. The image 1. Right, image 1. So get a width of 498 px, right? Height of half of it, 300 px. Okay, let's make the container some margin from the top, right? 50 px. Okay, some border to see it clearly. Solid black. Okay, nice. The image just fit inside. Okay, there goes some border radius. Okay, maybe we can do it. We do it 20 px. Okay, look nice. Okay. So what else? So next up for the text. Right. So for the text, we have the title. We made the title, everything move out. Margin from the top, maybe 20 px. Margin from the left, maybe 20 px. Okay, just nice. And the title H1. Font size, make it smaller to large, maybe 3 min. Okay, made it a margin right as well, right? 20 px or so. Okay, nice, just nice. Okay, got some padding for bottom. Let me give it 10 px. Okay, look nice. What else? Next one is the title text. Okay, for title text, make it maybe smaller to women. Okay, right. So what else is the user column? All right, so that makes the user column. Since it's a display, you can see it flex in terms of the user image and the user ID. So we just make the okay user display flex. Okay, since the user image still in big, so let's make it smaller first. Okay, make it. Forget give them a class. Image 2. Right, so make it smaller, maybe width of 100 px, height of 100 px. Okay, can we set the border radius to 50%? Yes, it's become round in shape, right? So okay, just now the user, let's get them their padding as well. Okay, nice. So okay, we just have to worry about the user ID position, right? So let's make the user ID some margin top, maybe 20 px, some margin left, get a 20 px. Okay, move out a bit. So username, get them pairing some 20 px, pairing bottom, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, so basically the layout is almost there. We just have to apply when refresh. They have this kind of floating stuff, right? Okay, so basically this is a animation, right? So you can see it is moving. The color is moving, right? So we give them an animation, maybe animated, animated. Okay, right. So give it a name. If you are familiar, you can use this short form, right? So they have sequence like name, duration, timing, and so on. So I go one by one. Animation name, get it loading maybe. So next one is will be the duration. Duration, maybe let's add it 1 second first. Okay, next will be the timing function. We get it a linear, right? So next one will be the count. How long will it be? So we want it to play infinite time. Okay, iteration count, infinite time, right? Okay. So next will be before that. Okay, since it's already there, the layout, let's move everything out to create this kind of like they have this circle with empty thing. So let's move everything out first. Okay, I copy this into JavaScript first. So I just remove out the thing, remove out, and the image I'll remove out. Okay, what else? Lorium, remove out everything. Okay, what else? Okay, this image. Okay, I think it's empty right now. All right, because since it's a image holder, so that's why they have this empty thing here, right? So let's remove this and remove this. Okay, so basically it's empty, and let's get some pay color. When see the position, you can see they got some position over there, right? So image one, we get this some border to see where it's located, right? Solid and red. Hey, wait, sorry, it's a image holder, right? The image I remove to become the image holder. So right, image holder. Okay, everything. Okay, so that's the thing. Title. Okay, let's copy, get them some border. Where is it? All right, text. Okay, it's to what else? The okay, the user image, right? User image. Where is it? Okay, I didn't insert just now. Okay, never mind. just put user image. All right. Gets them some border rate. Okay, user ID. Okay, username. Okay, let's get them some width, right? To see, maybe 100 px. Okay, user ID. Oh, user ID is the whole thing. We should put username and user date, right? User. Okay, user date. User date. Okay. Get them some border. Right, and we give it a width, okay, 100 px, so we can say that in a longer, right? Okay, user date, right? Get them some height, maybe 20 px. Yes, with height of 20 px. Okay, they need some padding from top, top 20 px. Oh, why are they sticking together? 100 px. Do they split? No. Okay. It doesn't split at all. Username, user date. Okay. 100? No. Border. Okay, never mind. Try and do the title text. Okay. Give some height of 20 px, width of 100 px. Title h1. Right. Okay, title text. If make it 200. 400 lah. Okay. Pairing bottom. Margin bottom 20 px. Okay. We need some margin bottom. px. Okay. So roughly they have almost come out with the layout, right? Okay, so let's continue with the animation. So we make it a background image of linear gradient. So okay, so make it to the right, okay. And then we have this, maybe we put a gray color first lah, right? At a 0%. Oh, sorry, 0%. Okay, put gray color as well. At a, maybe give it a 20%, right? Put all gray color first, later we configure the color. Maybe give it a 50%. Okay, eventually at 100%. Okay. Make it a background size, right? Since it's an image, make it 200%, 100%. This is a width and length of the background image size. So for the animation to work, we have to a keyframe. So the identifier is the animation name. So get it a loading, right? According to the name we given, right? So from 0%, right? So everything starting from 0% to 100%. So we need to the background position, right? At the 50%. Okay, let's give it a try first. Eventually 100%. we give it a background position, then we'll go out of it. So be negative 150%. Okay, do it work? No. Okay. Wait. So the background size, linear gradient, infinite linear, 1 second loading. Okay, it's not moving. How come they got no color over there? Would they come with any color? No. Oh, okay. I know why. Because I haven't add the animated CSS to this. Okay, no wonder. Image holder, color change. No. I add a dot. Okay. So, okay. What else? The user image. Okay, user image name. Okay. So we almost getting there. Just the color have to change, right? So let's try and configure this color here. From 0%. How about this? We play around this. Okay. That makes the gray color lighter. Okay. And then we only standardize the color. Okay, this color look nice. Change everything to this color. Okay, so there must be a one color different from the other color. We only able to see, you see, there's only one color moving. The other is like in very light gray, right? Okay. So change this color maybe. Okay, it's moving too big. Okay, let's make 10. Maybe 10. Right. So make it 40, 30, 20. Okay, it's almost there. Right. Okay, someone chat. Okay. It's almost there, right? Okay. So color have to be like lighter bit. Okay. I think it's getting there. Right. So right now we just have to, okay, let's remove all the border rate first. Okay, border rate. This border rate. Where else? Border rate. Everything we remove. Okay, cool. So basically almost there. We just have to, when at the start we have this, and then eventually the content will coming in something like this, right? Okay, so this the CSS part. Okay, this the content we have to put in. So let's call some of the item, right? So we have this image holder. Okay, holder, right? Yeah, call it document.query selector, right? Image holder. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how many of them we have to call. Title, right? Title h1. Title h1. Okay. And what else? Title text. Title text, right? Text. Title text. and user image, right? User image. Okay, the image. User name. Username and user date. All right. Cool. User date. User date. So basically, we have to remove this animated after some time, right? Since this is the thing who moving, right? So we have to remove this animated after some time, then bring in the actual content we have to display, right, at a particular place. So we still have to call this thing, right? Cons animated document query selector animated, right? So we have there are this function called set timeout, right? Okay, we give it a handler, maybe get data. Okay, then we give it a time like 3 seconds. Okay, so this time is in millisecond, so we just add 20 for it. Okay, then we get a function, right? Get data. Oops. Okay, right. So when get data, we just have to move this content we want into the get data, right? Okay, so we just have to change the inner HTML of all this item we just called just now, right? So we have this image holder, so uh, inner HTML, right? We give them this image class. Hey, copy. Yes. Okay. We use a backtick, right? Give them. Okay. So and then what else? Title h1. Title h1 dot inner HTML backtick title. Okay, we just random put some text here. Title, right? And then title text. Title text dot inner HTML dash backtick. Okay, just random text lah. Okay. What else? Image. User image. Okay. User image dot inner HTML. Backtick. Image 2. Okay. And okay, what else? User name. Dot inner HTML. Don't do like and user date. Dot inner HTML. Tick and date. Okay. So we have to remove this animated after this 3000 millisecond. So we give it animated, right? For for each of the element, right, that contain animated, right? So we use a for each animated. Okay, right. So we this element have to this class list and remove, right? So remove animated. Okay. And yeah. Right. I think it work. Let's comment this out. Right. This work. No. Okay. It's still moving. Right. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe make this faster. Maybe 2. Okay. It's working. It's working. But this the loading thing still ongoing, right? Let's check why is it still ongoing, right? Okay, animated, and we remove it, right? 1 2. Okay, everyone is coming out. How come the time is not coming out? The time user date dot inner html, right? How come the date is not coming out? User date. Oh, okay. We called the wrong thing. User date, right? 1 2. Okay, that does come out. Okay, let's check. So, okay, the animated part is working, but we didn't remove the animated for rest of this thing, right? Okay. Query selector return the first element that is a descendant of the node that match selector. Okay. Is it I didn't call everyone? Try this. Or query selector return all element. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Oh, if query selector they just return the first element of this node, meaning that let's say if animated, it return only the first animated. No wonder the image holder just now don't have the loading thing, right? And if query selector or we return all the element of the node, mean every animated. Okay, I see. Right. So 1 2. Okay, looks nice, right? So compared to this, just the color lah, just the color. So basically the concept is there. So loading 1 2 second, right? Make it longer. 1 2 3 second. Yeah, okay, nice. It's working right now. Okay. So how do you guys think? Like, oh, this loading thing, is it helpful? I think it's pretty good for like future project if we have this as a skeleton project. So before like all those content we can have this on it. So basically the user roughly know how this before the content load in is look like lah. Right. Okay. So yeah. Guys, any question? Okay, I just can see the comment right now. What's the percent mean for the section? Jingyong, what do you mean? Which section do you mean?
So the percentage for the animation effect, because I see there are like
Mm-hmm.
4 colors, right? So like
Yeah. All
yeah.
the percentage is meaning the time section. Since it's
Oh,
a gradient, right? So gradient they have a different section, right? So
right.
basically it's like different at 0% at this is this color. So at 10% is that color. Then the 20% and 100%, it's that color.
Oh,
Yeah. So that's how gradient work lah. So basically,
so that means you set
mm,
up the gradient into like
mm-hmm,
4 sections.
mm-hmm.
Then once you run the animation, this frame will run uh smartly by itself, is it?
Yes, exactly. So basically, where's the time, and the animation time as well is loading infinite. So you can see
Mm.
it's loading infinite according to the time we given.
Okay, so that means the gray section that's moving is actually at the 100. Was it set at 100%?
Yeah. The gray section is 100%.
So that means
Yeah,
the
yeah.
100% will be like moving from point A to point B and then infinitely.
Yes, exactly.
I see, I
True,
see.
true,
Cool.
true, true.
Nice,
Cool.
nice. Yeah,
What
I thought it
else?
was like a gradient. I thought it was like a what's it called?
Some
Color,
moving thing.
color intensity. I thought it was like,
Okay. It's a gradient thing. Yeah.
I see. Thanks, thanks.
No worries. Okay. Okay. So yeah, for those who come in late, you guys can check out this website, right? So basically, I get this project from this website lah. Okay, there's like 50 project out here. So I think they have to use up like basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as well, right? So I think some of it will helpful when we're building our website or our any landing page in future. So some of it quite fun. You can see, yeah, you see this. Okay, so okay, something like this. They have this. I think this also quite good, right? For your own page, if you have this, yeah, why not? And what else? And so maybe next week I'll be choosing one of it from here to do it together, right? So customs range slider and see. Okay, so you guys can check this out. It's quite nice lah. They got different kind of version. So any question more, guys, or anything to chat on? Okay, this quite nice also. Blurry loading. Wow. What else? FAQ. VM. Team. Button ripple effect. Click me. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. Click from different side. They have different kind of effect showing. Quite nice, quite nice. What else? Nicer. Verify account. Okay. 1 2 3 3 3. Okay. Oh, okay. Basically, they have this center. This what they call this code, right? Recently, a lot of people their bank account get hacked because of maybe this code, right? And random image feed. Oh, okay. I think this is similar to the some sort of the API. If you guys have been the API module, maybe you guys have fetched some random things, right? The random code. I think this similar to that. You have this random image API. Every time you random, they have fetch different kind of image coming in. Alright, so I guess I'll stop presenting here and I'll stop recording right now. Okay.